In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online attendance form using Google Forms. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you effortlessly set up a digital attendance system that can be accessed from anywhere, making it incredibly convenient for educational and professional settings. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. If you're not sure how to get there, simply type Google Forms into your search bar and click on the first link, or you can access it directly through your Google Drive by clicking on New, then selecting Google Forms. Once you're on the Google Forms page, you'll see a blank form template, ready for your customization. Start by giving your attendance form a title and adding a description. The title can be something simple like attendance form, and the description should include any necessary instructions or details you want to communicate to your respondents, such as deadlines for completion or requirements for filling out the form accurately. Next, you'll want to add questions to your form. Click on the plus sign to insert a new question. For an attendance form, you'll typically need fields for the respondent's name and email address. Select the short answer option for these questions to allow respondents to input text. You can mark these fields as required by toggling the switch at the bottom of the question, ensuring everyone fills them out. Consider adding a date question to capture when the attendance is recorded. Google Forms provides a handy date picker feature, which can simplify things for your respondents. Simply select Date from the question type drop-down menu, and Google Forms will guide respondents to input the date correctly. At this point, you might want to include more specific questions depending on your needs. For example, if you're using this form for a class, you might add a multiple-choice question to select which session they're attending. Multiple-choice questions can be added by selecting Multiple Choice from the options. Once all your questions are added, take a moment to review and test your form. You can do this by clicking the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen to preview the form from a respondent's perspective. Ensure everything looks good and functions properly. After confirming your form is ready, click on the Send button to choose how you'd like to distribute it. You can share it via email, a direct link, or even embed it on a website. Google Forms allows multiple ways to reach your audience efficiently. That's it. You've created an online attendance form using Google Forms. This digital solution not only saves paper, but also keeps all your attendance data organized and accessible in one location. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of your new system, making attendance tracking a breeze.